In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Google Tasks list. Have you ever found yourself meticulously organizing your tasks on Google, only to wish you could have a physical copy to keep track of your to-dos offline? Well, you're in luck because today we'll be walking through how to bring your digital task list into the physical world, step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's your gateway to accessing all things Google, including your Google Tasks. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in www.google.com in the search bar. Once you're looking at the Google homepage, you'll see a sign in button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. This step is crucial because you need to be logged into your Google account to access your Google Tasks. After clicking on sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you type in the email associated with your Google account that contains the tasks you want to print. Remember, your Google Tasks are tied to your specific Google account, so entering the correct email is key. Next up, you'll be asked for your password. Enter it carefully to make sure you get it right the first time, capitalization and all. If you've forgotten your password, don't stress. Google offers options to help you recover your account. After entering your credentials, click on the Next button to proceed. This will log you into your Google account, bringing you one step closer to that coveted printout of your tasks. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to your Google dashboard. You might be tempted to look for tasks right away, but the Google dashboard is where all your Google activities and app accesses live, so it's our necessary next stop. From your Google dashboard, click on Gmail. This might seem like a detour, but Google Tasks are actually accessible through Gmail, so it's an essential step in our journey. By clicking on Gmail, you're gearing up to narrow down to your Google Tasks in just a moment. Inside Gmail, you will find the Tasks option. This is it, the place where all your organized, listed, and scheduled tasks reside. Take a moment to review your list, make sure it's updated and reflects everything you need before we print. Now for the pièce de résistance, printing your Google Tasks list, look for the three-dot icon associated with your tasks. It's often located at the right or bottom, depending on your screen size and layout. Clicking this will reveal an option to Print List. Go ahead and select this. After clicking Print List, you'll be presented with a print preview. This is where you can choose your printer, decide if you want to print all your tasks or just those in a specific list, and adjust settings like color, layout, and more. Take a moment here to ensure everything looks just the way you want it to. Once you've reviewed your settings and you're satisfied with the preview, it's time to hit Print. And just like that, you've got a physical copy of your Google Tasks list. Whether you're a pen and paper enthusiast or just someone who appreciates having a tangible backup, printing your Google Tasks can help you stay organized in a way that fits your lifestyle. Remember, while the digital world offers convenience and speed, there's something uniquely satisfying about ticking off a task with a physical pen on paper. It's a simple joy, but a profound one. And there you have it, a simple guide to printing your Google Tasks list. I hope this helps you bridge the gap between digital planning and physical execution. Keep up with your tasks and happy organizing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into more ways to make your digital life work seamlessly with your real-world routine.